KTTB3 small filter net continuous automatic edge bonding production line. This production line is specially developed for compact size filters used in sweepers. It perfectly solves the industry pain points of low unit price and insufficient production capacity of small filters. It is widely adopted by filter suppliers serving brands including Xiaomi, ECOVACS and Dyson, featuring stable operation, high edge bonding precision, high efficiency and low material loss. It adopts servo motor combination instead of excessive air cylinders to avoid positioning deviation. Its daily output reaches 2,000 pieces, greatly boosting production efficiency. Robot feeding system is optional to cut down labor costs.